Hey everyone, it's Jeannie and Gus from Neckog America, and today we're going to walk you through the basic disassembly and reassembly of your Flovv. To begin, grab your Neckog tool and wiggle it in the seam behind the screen to separate the lid out from the top part, and that should give you enough room to slowly and gently remove the top piece. Under this lid, you may find that the cap in the center for the cleaning fluid might be a little difficult to screw on. If that is the case, push the black casing over. You can use the mixing cap to get some leverage, to create a better angle for the lid to catch the threads. The lid sits better without the casing getting in the way. In the near future, we will work on replacing this lid to match the other blue caps and to make this a better user experience. It's much thicker and a lot easier to put on. For the taller mixer lid, take caution and make sure to twist from the bottom of the cap, or the top may come off. If necessary, remove the tubing connection using a wrench to make removal easier. Once removed, take apart the cap. Grab a couple of silica packets, throw them in, and close it back up. This is the gasket that goes at the bottom. Make sure it's seated properly. With your finger, press it into place before putting the lid back on the tank. Once again, make sure you hold the bottom of the lid or it may unscrew itself. Reattach the tube if you removed it earlier. To remove the back plate, start by removing the 6 screws along the side to loosen the front panel. Disconnect the screen and push the nozzle through the opening in the front in order to move the panel to the side for now. The back panel is secured by these 2 screws near the base. You will need to remove the tank caps to completely remove the back panel by sliding it up, and then you have full access to the interior. If you like this setup, you don't have to put the back panel on again. You also don't have to put the front panel back on, but some people prefer having it to hold the screen and nozzle. Just push the nozzle back through the opening in the panel, reconnect the screen to the front panel, and replace the screws on each side. You can also leave the screen detached to use in a different position, or you can run the machine in its fully unboxed form. It's modular, more of a suggestion than a rule, and then you can keep an eye on the inner workings while the machine runs. The fully open method is great for being able to watch the system while it works, as well as to get to the board in the back. Speaking of which, here is the board in the back of Flovv. If a wire has come out during shipping, don't worry, just replace it by pushing it back in its place. We'll include a schematic in the description in case more than one cable popped out. In the back, these are your feeding tubes that connect to the nozzle. To the side of the machine, you have a vacuum pump and an air pump, which you can differentiate depending on the inlet and outlet. On the other side of the machine, it's the same setup. These stepper motors here direct the liquid through the hose when you press the button on the nozzle. You'll also see 2 liquid sensors here. If they don't glow when liquid passes through, they need calibration. Simply take a small tool and twist counterclockwise until it lights up when touched. And that's it! Your machine is ready to go. We can't wait to see what you all make with Flovv. Feel free to join our community Discord to show off your work or to ask any more questions you may have.